Welcome, tech enthusiasts, to an enlightening journey towards heightened online security and speed with Nexus Tunnel VPN. Say farewell to slow internet speeds as we embark on a mission to optimize your browsing potential. Let's delve into this detailed tutorial to unlock the full capabilities of your online interactions. Tutorial steps. Step 1. Seamless installation process. Commence your digital transformation by venturing into the Google Play Store and downloading Nexus Tunnel VPN. Install the app to kickstart your journey towards enhanced online security and swift connectivity. Step 2. Explore the window menu. After successful installation, open the app and tap on the window menu button. Dive into this portal of customization to discover a range of options aimed at enhancing your browsing experience. Step 3. Stay up to date with app updates. Prioritize app efficiency by selecting the Check Updates Resources option within the window menu. Stay informed with the latest features and enhancements that will enrich your browsing venture. Step 4. Optimize your connection. Fine-tune your online experience by selecting a high-speed auto UDP server option. This strategic choice is engineered to deliver optimal performance, ensuring a seamless and swift browsing experience tailored to your preferences. Step 5. Choose your UDP setting. Enhance your browsing capabilities by selecting any UDP option from the menu. Tailor your online security and speed preferences to suit your browsing needs effectively. Step 6. Initiate secure and swift browsing. Conclude this empowering process by tapping the Start button. Initiate your secured browsing session with Nexus Tunnel VPN, setting the stage for a safe and efficient online experience. Conclusion. Congratulations on optimizing your online security and speed with Nexus Tunnel VPN. Enjoy enhanced speeds, heightened security measures, and personalized settings as you navigate the digital landscape confidently. Stay engaged by subscribing, liking, and commenting, and join our Telegram and WhatsApp channels for additional insights and community interaction. Experience a secure, efficient, and expedited online journey with Nexus Tunnel VPN. Join us in this transformative digital experience.